Hey guys, how's it going? It's your boy Moto, and today I have an amazing, very special video for you guys. The reason why I haven't been uploading as many videos, besides school and studying and all these other things, I've been testing out a bunch of other different formats of videos and just kind of doing a little bit more investigating on what I could do to kind of improve the video and the audio and again the trajectory of the videos that I kind of want to be making for this channel. And I've been watching a lot of these really cool ASMR videos, and I just know on top of the quality and the limitations that I had with my other equipment, I kind of wanted to go headfirst in and just kind of test out the new GoPro Hero 11 Black. I bought, as you can see here, I do have the body with the camera and then also got the media mod, so that with the media mod I could actually just go and hook that up to my helmet. I already have the 3.5mm audio jack, and then also I could just connect it with the USB Type-C with the battery pack that is on the back of my helmet. That's going to be powering the GoPro, so I won't have to have a battery inside the GoPro that will also cause further overheating and a bunch of other things. So I'm going to be doing a little unboxing for you guys. I'm going to try to talk as least as possible, just kind of have not that much commentary on it, but just kind of, show you guys a little decent footage. So yeah, thank you guys again, and on with the video.
Did good, son.
10 or 9.
Shit on my bitches, taking my dose and never skip it. Still in my hood, a pistol grip, and still got 100 blunts. Got that paper in my cup, stay with a bitch in a cuddle, stay with my dick in a guts, yeah. Widow the king of the great self, fuck her, don't fuck with valet. Sheesh, private jet, fuck her delay. Went to Paris and back in the day. Okay, I won't never, okay, bitch, stop asking. Came up supporting my family, just for that they should give me a Grammy. Running the dog in the slammer, thinking about cocking the hammer. The lights, the glitter, the glamour. None of this shit even matter. None of this shit make me happy. Wound up in rehab instead of a casket, locking me up and they had the rooms padded. Magistrate checking my fashion.
Ripping that motherfucker grammar, ripping that money that cover soul. Singing out loud another bitch, you think that I'm a lover, no. Reason I keep on shrugging, blunt is cash, let's keep on coming on it. We get beat from bugging, from seeking out more destruction. I'm a promise of time, but I don't know that these bitches want me to fly them out just because I have the glow. All these fine boys wanna be me, but they keep it on the low and talk shit about me and my cousin while we down and through I go. All this fame is such a curse, sometimes I wish I was a ghost. Watch me raise the fucking dead next time I'm on stage at a show. Haunted, 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 haunted. Can't escape my mind. It's like I'm doing time all the time. Exhausted, lost it. Just one little line. Have to talk with God all the time. Yeah, haunted, haunted. Can't escape my mind. It's like I'm doing time all the time. Exhausted, lost it. Just one little line. Have this talk with God all the time. Yeah. All the time, all the time, yeah.